Hello and welcome to the Q2 2019 investor update for Bank to the Future investors. I know it's been a long time and I've been posting as much as I can answering your questions in the pitch forum, but I wanted to just quickly jump on to a video to record for you an overview of some of the things we've been up to and give you an investor only update. I've just got off a recording for CNBC to discuss the Bitfinex controversy and the situation that's been happening there. I guess every cloud has a silver lining, but obviously as BnkToTheFuture.com is the only place that makes a market in Bitfinex shares, we've seen in our beta market when we haven't been looking for volume, but we've seen an increase in volume as a result of people looking to speculate on the result of the Bitfinex situation. If you want to dig deeper into some of those things, you'll notice if you go to our YouTube channel for Bank to the Future, then you'll see that we've been recording weekly. And if you go to Bank to the Future Live episode 12, I gave a comprehensive update on the situation with Bitfinex and what's been happening. But today I just wanted to go through some quick notes on updates I wanted to give you. We're really excited. The bear market has been a really good time for us to actually regroup, to deal with some of the systems things that we needed to deal with, and also work on our product more, and also, as I'll share with you in this update, snap up some bargain acquisitions, which we're really excited to announce, but we're not quite ready to announce yet. So a quick update. We just passed $750 million invested through the platform. We look set this year to hopefully reach that target of $1 billion invested in funding rounds listed on our platform. If we get there, that would make us one of the largest platforms in the world, even though we're focusing just on our niche for crypto and fintech. One thing is clear, while we're in a crypto bear market, every single investment bank, every single financial institution, every single central bank, every single FTSE 100 company, 500, all around the world, everyone's looking to get into our industry. They've been investing in the industry. And as soon as we come out of this bear market, I'm predicting that we're going to have a record time for cryptos. But for us, it's not been as profitable as last year, but volume is increasing. Fortunately, during the token, I guess a lot of the token sales are not continuing anymore, as there's a bit of a regulatory shift. There's been a boom in equity again, and we're back to equity as usual. So what have we been up to? So we just passed $750 million invested through our primary markets. We also launched our secondary markets into beta. And that means that now, one step at a time, people are going to be able to buy and sell shares in the largest companies in crypto. We've been working on that for a long time, and we're really excited to launch that to non-US investors at this stage while we work on our US strategy as well. We just passed $1 million bought and sold through our secondary market this week. We've also got deals and listings. We started when we moved into beta with Bitfinex shares, and we just launched trading for Circle shares. We've also got Ripple Labs, Blockchain.com, Coinbase, Kraken, and many others. We're going to have almost complete exposure to all the largest companies in crypto, and we're really excited about bringing that to market. You'll also notice that we've completed the restructuring, and you now own shares in BF Global rather than Bank to the Future. Just to give you a short understanding of it, BF Global is our equity holding company in Cayman Islands, and it is the parent company for all the subsidiaries that live underneath us. We've had to go through a big restructuring due to several acquisitions that we're currently making. And also making sure that we've got the compliance strategy that we, tightened up, that we've been working on over the last year or two. So you'll notice now that if you head over to the assets section of the platform, you'll see that you now have BF Global assets there. And we're going through a transition process right now where we're reinventing the whole fund section of the account, portfolio section of the account. and also switching all the equity over to assets so that eventually they can be traded on our secondary market. We put together a policy on our secondary market, and that is that companies that are succeeding and really becoming established brands will qualify for buyers and sellers on our secondary market and new investors. Those that are kind of in the middle that haven't reached household brand status, we're going to be allowing for them to have a secondary market where only existing investors in the SPV can buy and sell amongst each other. And then companies that haven't been providing investor updates and don't look like they're succeeding, we won't be launching a secondary market. They're either going to turn it around or they're going to be a failed company. So that's kind of our policy in brief. What else do we have for you? Also, yeah, a while ago, last year, we updated the financial overview to the investor zone. So in the top right of the investor zone where you can see this update, you're able to download the previous financials, and we're currently working on the 2018 financials rather. Obviously 2017 was an exceptional year for us, and we don't expect to have a repeat of that this year. But we've gone somewhat back to a normal year, but we're looking forward to, we've added more products, and so we're going through the next phase of growth in 2019. We have in the bear market been using this opportunity to acquire talent as well. We've doubled the size of the team, but we remain conservative, whereby we never had to do layoffs. A lot of companies in our industry had to do layoffs because they had to really increase the size of the team to service the crypto bull market, and then got caught on the wrong side of the crypto bear market. We're financially strong. We're happy to say that we were conservative. We've grown the team at the right rate so that, but everyone is continually, overworked and stretched to their limits. But we like to keep it that way so that we can, make sure that we're continuing to be conservative on the financial side. We've added new resources into marketing and support, and we're getting ready for a big marketing launch when we come out of the bear market, now that we've got a lineup of really exciting news that we like to announce to the public as well. We have, I can't share the details, I'd love to share the details, but we're under NDA on all of them. But we've been really busy during the bear market because we're actually at the stage of negotiating 6 acquisitions for Bank to the Future that will allow us to have a much more global regulatory structure, much more technological development resources, and some really exciting things, and allow us to achieve our product roadmap at a much faster rate. Mainly doing those for regulatory, regulatory scaling, as well as technical talent and other factors that we'll be announcing those. So we've got a roadmap planned for those who've been really busy working on those, and we look forward to announcing those to you when the deals are complete. We also launched BF Live. We're on episode 12. This Thursday will be episode 13. And that's really where we're making sure that we're reaching out to our community more, improving the communications. We had a communications gap, and we got a lot of initiatives planned now that we've got more resources in the marketing side. We're building out a studio to be able to do this a lot better. We look forward to that's really working as a way of engaging with our community and our investors and making sure they're aware of some of the updates and things that we're up to. We also launched the BF wallet for security tokens, so you can now download that on iOS and App Store, and Google rather, and that will allow you to have a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bank to the Future token wallet. And it's going to be deeply integrated into the BnkToTheFuture.com platform, and also working more on security tokens. So that's just a brief update of some of the things that we've been up to. I'm going to share this on the Investor Zone. That's probably where you're watching it right now. And feel free to jump in with any questions on the forum. And we look forward to solidifying more of these announcements that we've shared with you, and putting a bit more detail on that. We are happy to announce that each of those acquisitions has been negotiated at a significantly higher valuation to the valuation that you currently have. So each acquisition will create a pricing event and maybe trigger some preemption rights for those that want to reinvest at the same valuation, so that we can make sure that we have that to use. So expect several price increases as a result of these, and we're really excited to bring those to you. And I think that's going to do it for this investor update. I'll see you next time, and make sure that you catch us on Bank to the Future Live as well. We've been giving lots and lots of information, and you can really track our progress there. So thank you very much for your support as always. We don't forget our shareholders, the people that helped us get here in the first place, and we look forward to bringing more and more to you as we continue on this path.